Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the bloody G575 gaming headphones. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box of the bloody G575 gaming headset. So here is the front of the box. This is the picture. So we got G575, the model number, gaming headset, virtual 7.1 surround sound. So this supports virtual 7.1 surround sound. That's why I got this particular headset. We got RGB light on the sides, 7.1 virtual USB, and it has a 50mm speaker unit. So by USB it means that it's going to have a USB port that you will plug into your PC or Mac, and you don't have your 3.5mm jack as you have in your usual PC headphones. So on the side of the box we got something like this. Here it's showing some of the headphones. On the other sides we got some of its specs as well. So for the performance, the speaker unit size is 50mm, its frequency is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, and so on. So it has a microphone. The cable material is Tangle free braided cable. That's good. The length is 200 centimeter, and we have a USB cable port and not a 3.5mm one. Here on the back we got some of its specs as well. So we got built-in metal, so it has metals inside it. It's lightweight, angle, and all these other things. So here it has a control knob on the wire itself instead of having on the your earpiece. So I think having the controls on the wire is more convenient, at least for me. So on the earpiece, on the control, you're going to have your microphone on off switch, your volume key, and a button to, I think, to turn on and off your RGB lights. So you can see that in this headphone you can detach the mic as well. So this is really good. So its price is around 4000 PKR currently when I bought it. So it was really hard for me to get in the market, at least where I live in Rawalpindi, because in most of the places or in most of the shops this particular model of the bloody headphone was out of stock for some reason. I think that its quality is really good regarding its price, so that's maybe the reason why it's out of stock in many of the shops. But anyways, I got hands on one of them at last. So the unboxing experience is good. We're just going to pull the headset out, and here you can see the box is completely empty. Putting the box inside, here we have our headset as well. So nice packaging, I would say, with the red and matte black theme. So the wire is on the back side. So let me see how we can remove it. Okay, so we got this little tape on the lower side as well, which you can just simply cut and open. Here we go. And now we can release this braided wire. So just by touching the wire, I have seen that it is really good quality, and it is braided like they advertise on it, if the camera can focus on it. Anyways, here we have our control. We got our mic on off switch, our RGB switch, and here our volume up and down roller as well. So for the cable length, it is pretty good, not too short. So I would say a pretty good length of a cable. And here on the other side you got a USB port, so you can connect it with your PC or Mac and not with your mobile phone or iPhone. Here we have the headphones themselves. You can see their size. So these are really cushiony just by touching on them. So they are really soft. So they are going to support 7.1 sound, which means that if you're more into gaming, which I bought for that purpose, if the enemy is coming from the back side, or I would say like if the enemy is coming from here, then when you're wearing or using these headphones, you're going to know that the enemy is coming from this particular area using the sound. So that's the reason why I bought this particular version. So we got these pads on the top as well. Again, this has metal inside it as well. Its weight is lightweight, I would say, not too much heavy. And here we have our detachable mic as well. So if you want to detach it, you can simply just pull it and it will come out just like that. And if you want to plug it again, you can just do so. I would just recommend using the on off key for the mic on the control instead of pulling it again and putting it back, because that's much more easier. So let me just plug it and show you the RGB lights as well. So here I have connected the headset to my laptop, and you can see the RGB lights are on by default. So here you're going to have a RGB light pattern. Obviously you can tell very much because it's pretty I would say light. So I'm just going to turn off the studio light, and now here you can see how the RGB light is going to look when you're going to wear it. So I think it's pretty cool, and you can use the control switch to turn off the light just by pressing on the button, and the light will be turned off, and when you're going to press it, the light will turn on again. So this is pretty good. So in order to get the best experience out of your bloody headphones, make sure you download the drivers for these headphones as well. I will put the download link in the video description. So with the software you can do a lot of tweaks and make the audio much better according to your preference, and you can change some of the settings of the 7.1 surround system as well. So here I have just played a sound from NCS. I don't know if you can hear it, and obviously you cannot tell the audio quality from here, but I'm just going to check it for like 1 or 2 or 3 days, and then I'm going to write in the comment section what I feel about the sound quality of these particular headphones. The build quality is pretty good, I would say, the length, the cable and all the other things, but as far as the sound quality is concerned, I will write in this video's comment section and as well as in the video's description that how much good are these headphones as their sound is concerned, because I haven't used them a lot, so I want to give you an honest review. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.